Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on your X96 Mini. First, connect your X96 Mini to your television using an HDMI cable. Next, plug in the power adapter and power on the device. It's crucial to ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, as you'll need it for downloading games and emulators. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for the next steps. Once your X96 Mini is powered on and connected, navigate to the Google Play Store or an alternative app store. Here, you will search for and install your preferred game emulators. There are many options available, so consider emulators for classic consoles such as the Nintendo Entertainment System or Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Installing these applications is the key to playing a wide variety of retro games on your device. After installing your emulators, the next step is to add game ROMs. You can transfer these game files to your X96 Mini using a USB drive or through a network share. It's a good practice to organize your ROMs into clearly labeled folders for easy access. Once transferred, open your chosen emulator, navigate to the folder where your ROMs are stored, and load the desired game file to start playing. Finally, enhance your gaming experience by connecting a compatible game controller. Most USB and Bluetooth controllers will work seamlessly with the X96 Mini. Once connected, you'll need to configure the controller settings within your chosen emulator to map the buttons correctly. Now you're all set to enjoy countless hours of gaming fun on your X96 Mini. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals and products, including the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.